What if the most iconic American car ever built, the one your grandfather dreamed about, came roaring back in 2026, but with modern muscle, next-level luxury, and enough chrome to blind the entire neighborhood? Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2026 Ford Model A Resto-Mod, a jaw-dropping, head-turning, heart-pounding tribute that proves legends don't fade. They evolve. This isn't some dusty barn find. This is pure automotive theater. And today, we're walking around every inch of it like you're sitting in the passenger seat. Let's go. First, that face. Holy chrome. The upright grille is pure 1930s Model A DNA. Tall, proud, and dripping in mirror-polished chrome that reflects the sky like liquid metal. Right in the center sits that famous blue oval Ford badge, exactly where it belongs. No cheap plastic here. This thing screams premium from 10 feet away. Those massive round headlights? They still have that vintage charm, but flip them on, and you're getting modern LED projectors that cut through the night like lasers. The hood flows back in this deep metallic copper bronze paint that shifts color depending on the light, rich, warm, and absolutely hypnotic. Look at the stance. This car sits low and wide on massive polished chrome wheels wrapped in sticky performance rubber. The fenders are perfectly arched, the running boards are still there for that old school cool, but everything has been massaged and lowered for that aggressive hot rod presence. This is what happens when 1930s style meets 2026 attitude. Now slide around to the side and just breathe it in. That two-door coupe silhouette is timeless. Long hood, short rear deck, roofline that looks like it was drawn with a French curve. The body lines are razor sharp, and notice those subtle red pinstripes tracing the belt line and wheel arches. It's the kind of custom touch that separates a good build from a showstopper. The doors shut with that heavy, expensive thunk. Chrome side mirrors, hidden modern door handles, and blacked-out pillars give it that sinister, ready-to-run look. This car is small by today's standards, but it looks absolutely massive in personality. Park it next to a modern supercar and watch the younger crowd lose their minds. They have no idea what hit them. Come around back. This is where the drama hits maximum. That massive chrome trunk lid is basically a mirror on wheels. So shiny, you could do your makeup in it. The Ford script is engraved dead center, just like the originals, but everything around it has been upgraded. Dual, actually quad, polished stainless exhaust tips poke out underneath a sculpted rear bumper that's pure art. Those taillights keep the small, round vintage look but hide modern LED clusters inside. The rear fenders flare just enough over those fat tires to give it that planted, ready-to-launch posture. Whether you see it in this rich bronze-green metallic with the red pinstripes or the copper tone up front, the message is the same. This car doesn't just arrive. It makes an entrance. Step inside and prepare to be spoiled. This isn't a stripped hot rod. This is a gentleman's racer. Slide into those tan leather seats, vertically stitched, buttery soft, and wrapped around you like a custom suit. The dashboard is real wood, polished to a deep mirror shine, with chrome-ringed analog gauges that still feel mechanical and soulful. The big three-spoke steering wheel wears the Ford logo proudly in the center, and that chrome shift lever, it's begging to be rode through the gears. Every switch, every knob, every pedal has that satisfying weight and click. Modern touches are hidden. You get climate control, a discrete infotainment screen if you want it, but the vibe is 100% classic. This interior makes you want to drive coast to coast with the windows down and a big grin on your face. Here's the part that makes gearheads weak in the knees. The original Model A had a 40-horsepower flathead 4. Cute. The 2026 Resto-Mod version? Think modern Ford 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo inline 4, We're talking 280 to 310 horsepower and serious torque on tap. Paired with a slick 6-speed manual or optional automatic, rear-wheel drive, fully upgraded independent suspension, and big disc brakes all around, it still feels light, raw, and analog, but now it actually stops, turns, and goes like a modern car. No more white-knuckle panic stops or praying the drum brakes work. This is a classic you can actually drive every single day and enjoy doing it. The original Model A put America on wheels in the late 1920s. It was reliable, stylish, and affordable. Fast forward almost a century, and custom shops have turned these cars into rolling masterpieces. This 2026 version is the ultimate evolution, a full custom Resto-Mod built with modern engineering and handcrafted details. Expect to drop between $180,000 and $260,000, depending on options, interior spec, and performance upgrades. Reservations are already opening for serious collectors. Deliveries expected late 2026. If you've ever wanted a piece of history you can actually drive hard, this is it. The 2026 Ford Model A Resto-Mod isn't just a car. It's a love letter to the past, written with the tools of the future. It proves that the greatest designs never really go away. They just get better with age. If this build made your heart race even half as fast as mine, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite angle, and tell me, would you daily drive this beauty or save it for weekend canyon carving? Subscribe and hit the bell. We've got more wild Resto-Mods, future classics, and dream machines coming your way. Until next time, keep chasing that perfect ride. I'll see you on the road.